Hello friends, today I am going to make a very easy and tasty recipe of pancakes. Do you know pancake originated from Greece and Rome, and they used to eat this with honey. So let's get started. We are taking all-purpose flour 1 cup. We are taking salt half tablespoon, sugar 2 tablespoon, baking soda half tablespoon, and blend it all well. Mix it. Let's make a well. Now we'll add 1 egg. Beat the egg. We have added 1 cup of milk. Whisk it well so that it mixes well and no lump is formed. Adding 2 tablespoons of butter. Mix it well. Place the pan in medium heat. Brush the pan with butter. We don't need a lot of butter or cooking oil in this. Now we'll take one portion of batter and we'll place it on the pan. To make the pancake. As soon as we notice the bubble starts forming, we can flip it to the other side. How nicely our pancakes are turning out. Our pancake is ready. Similarly, we'll make more pancakes. I have made approximately 8 pancakes and placed butter on the top. It tastes really good with butter. We can have it with maple syrup or honey. We can have this in our morning breakfast with a lot of fruits like apple, banana, strawberries. Adding maple syrup on the top. Pancakes are a perfect start for a day. Enjoy! If you like my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. I will see you guys on my next episode with some exciting recipes. Till then, see you. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.